Hi, we're going to do a harder surveillance satellite circle problem for Soh-Cah-Toa, and basically we're using cosine, and this is Earth. The blue circle I have is Earth. H is here. That's the projection above the surface of the satellite, and D is this arc length here of the circle. So this is kind of the D right here. And the radius is 3960 miles. Therefore, this radius is 3960 as well, since it's a circle. So basically, the first thing we have to do is we have to find an equation that relates our central angle, which is here, this theta, to our height. So what we're going to do is just relate it. And I'm just going to take half of this. Okay, so because it's to make it a right triangle. If I can draw this, I don't know how I'm going to draw this. Try to make this like a right triangle here. So this is the height. So what we're going to do is cosine, and we only have half the angle because I'm only taking half here, is theta over 2. So this is your A, equals adjacent, which is right here, over hypotenuse. So the adjacent is going to be 3960. Then the hypotenuse is going to be right here. This is your right triangle here. So that's going to be the same thing, 3960 plus your h. We're adding this h to it. Okay? So that's A. Now we have to write an equation that relates the observable distance and our angle. Let's write theta there. So we know that distance or arc length, so this is your arc length, we know that is radius times theta. So D equals 3960 times theta. And we're going to have to rewrite this and know that theta, therefore, is D over 3960. All right? Now for C, we have to relate D and H. So basically, I'm just substituting. My theta is D over 3960. So I'm going to write that in here. Cosine of theta, which is now D over 3960 divided by 2 equals 3960 over 3960 plus h. All right, now I'm just going to clean this part up. So this is just cosine of D over 7920 equals 3,960 over 3,960 plus h. So we took care of A, B, and C. The rest we just have to substitute. And I'm going to do that on the next page. So it says if D is to be 2,500 miles, so what I'm going to do is substitute D here. And then I have to find H. Okay, so let's do that. I'm going to write D, so this is part D, cosine of 2,500, which is our D, over 7920 equals 3960 over 3960 plus h. Okay, this little bit equals 0.9506, which should equal 3960, or it's approximately, over 3960 plus h. Now I'm going to cross multiply, so I get 0.9506 0.9506 times 3960 plus h is approximately 3960. And then I'm going to go ahead and distribute here, and I get 3764 plus 0.9506h equals 3960. Now to solve for h, we're going to subtract 3764 from both sides. So we get 0.9506h equals 196. Then divide both sides by this, and you get h is approximately 206 miles. All right. So let me go back to my first